What's up, guys? Today we are going to be unboxing some crates in Mining Simulator. And I'm back with D-Money here, back on the camera.
What up?
Today I am going to be unboxing 80 crates, or how many I can count, until I lose count. Let's begin. Let's go. We got a Dominus. Let's see. Let's see what I get from this one. Plasma wings. That's pretty good. Crates. Let's unbox another one. We got a Scorched Dominus. Here we go. Eye poppers. Let's see what I get from here. Frost horns.
Oh boy, don't ask me why I'm selling everything.
Oh no.
I kinda need the
He's selling everything, guys. Guys, he's selling everything. Alright, back to unboxing.
Is it okay if
Let's see
I sell
what I
like
get.
the mythical crate?
Yeah, sure.
Like,
Lightning Wizard. We got Lightning Wizard. This is going to be a short video, by the way. Cataclysmic Dominus? Okay, that's good. At least we got something. Alright, let's see here. Come on. Godly Wings. Hey, I already have Godly Wings. Now I have 2 packs of them. Nice. Come on. Nope. We got another Godly Wings.
Yeah, dude, is the death real good?
Yeah, kinda.
Is the laser gun good?
Alrighty now. Let's see what we get. Fire
Is
Horns.
the laser gun good?
Fire Horns. Alright.
Like, boy, is the laser gun good?
Yeah. Anyways, I'm going to start unboxing a few mythical trail crates. Let's see what I get. Electric Storm. We got Electric Storm, guys. Let's see what we get.
Yeah, like,
Rainbow Essence.
he's the king of this game, guys. Do not mess with him.
We got Ice Dragon Wings.
That will kill you.
D-Money. There's kids. Ice Dragon Wings again.
I highly doubt there's anyone watching this.
What? Alright, let's see. Let's see what I get. Ice Dragon. No, more Ice Dragon
What
Wings.
did I get? Surge Dominus.
Christmas hat crate. Let's go. And we got an Ice Skull.
I'm back for a mythical crate. Internal fire.
Christmas hat crate. Come on.
Okay.
Give me an Ice Skull. Give me an Ice Crown. Let's go! Ice Crown. We got an Ice Crown. Alright, now I'm going to be hatching some Omegas. We got Pink Sparks. Alright, let's keep on unboxing. Let's see. Wood grain. I've always loved the material wood, even though termites are in it. Gold sparks. Let's see here.
Whopper.
Reptile. We got reptile.
Whopper. What?
Oceanic.
No, don't want a Whopper. Who's singing it?
Diamond. We got diamond.
Whopper.
Whopper playing world
What?
plays with perfect hoppers.
No,
Yeah,
we're
bubbles.
singing that.
Yeah, we're just singing. Let's go.
Yeah, we're singing Whopper. That's what I
La
like to.
la lamb. No, I mean llama.
Plus it's random as well. Kids like to be random.
Let's go. Pizza. We got pizza. Yeah.
Right, dude? Kids like to be random.
Yeah, we just sing random things.
Yeah,
Oh, we got Pink Army. Omega.
Here's a pretty wooden chest.
Neon orange. This was the last 3 crates after this one. Alright. Here we go. Unique cat crates. Let's see what we get. We got ice cream here.
I have Rebirth.
If you wanna. We got Cookie Crown. Alright, last crate of the video. And we got Watermelon Hat. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.